Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate cars in Forza Horizon 5. This method allows players to create multiple copies of their existing vehicles through a specific sequence of actions. You will need certain in-game assets and precise timing to make it work effectively. Following these steps closely will help you efficiently expand your garage with desired vehicles. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary prerequisites in place. First, you must own the House of Horizon property. This crucial asset typically costs around 2 million credits from the game's map. Next, acquire the specific car you intend to duplicate in your garage. Finally, you will need at least 100,000 credits readily available to cover the steps involved in the process. To execute the duplication, drive your chosen car into the garage at your House of Horizon property. From the Car Options menu, select the choice to remove from garage. Immediately after selecting this, quickly press the button to enter your house. Confirm the removal, then purchase the same car again from the auto show, which will now appear as free. This effectively creates a duplicate of your vehicle. Utilities are an important part of your budget, varying with usage and climate. For a small apartment, expect electricity and water to total 1,500 to 2,500 Thai baht monthly, particularly if air conditioning is frequently used. A reliable internet connection will add about 600 to 900 Thai baht. Don't forget mobile phone plans, which are quite affordable, usually around 300 to 500 Thai baht for good data packages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.